Step 1. Install apps. First, you need to install 4 free apps in the pin-comment: KWLP Pro Key, KLWP, KWGT Pro Key and KWGT. Of course, you need to install our UI theme in Play Store. Step 2. We can start to set up the apps. First, we need to open the permissions for KLWP. Turn on the auto start. Click on Permissions. Turn on Dynamic Wallpaper Services. Change Battery Saver to No Restrictions. Secondly, find a random picture and set it as wallpaper. Turn on scrolling. After, change some setting for home screen. Change the home screen to with app drawer. Turn off, place new apps on the home screen. Turn off App Vault. Turn off home screen search bar. Turn on Show text. Then, remove all widgets and apps. And then use KWGT to add blank widgets. You need to make sure that your UI theme requires the number of pages of your home screen and add a blank widgets for each page. Click on the widget and create. Click on Touch to remove the action dot and so on. Next, open KLWP and according the tip to set up. You can choose to create a folder to save data for KLWP. Click on the UI theme you have purchased. Click on Fix Now, turn on some permissions. And set as wallpaper. Finally, turn on Use Direct Touch, because it can make us to click on the button of bottom bar. UI theme installation is completed. Thank you for your support. If you have any questions, please join our Discord server for discussion.